Boom! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint, and today, well, we're unboxing. That's right, unboxing. And what are we unboxing? This. Where do I even begin with this? I mean, what is this? I am unboxing a backpack load, a bag load from Japan, from Mercari, Japan. Does it say Mercari on that side of the box? I hope it does. But y'all know that I started a used bag store. It's called Lazarus Foundry, and I'm going to be bringing in quite a bit of these giant boxes from Japan as I continue to shop around the world, not just Japan, for the best used bags ever to bring to you to drop in as stock in the store, lazarusfoundry.com. Link in every video description. Today we're unboxing, and I'm unboxing with this. What is this? Well, I'm unboxing the same way our ancestors unboxed their Amazon packages, with a flint knife from the Paleolithic era. So let's dive into this. Smart pro tip for everybody out there: you don't need to buy a flint Paleolithic knife, but you should probably not unbox your backpacks with a really sharp pocket knife. I'm not worried about you cutting yourself. You're an adult. I'm worried about you slicing into your bag that you just paid $300 for. So some sort of box opener is a good solution and situation. And for me, that's a little Paleolithic knife from Denmark. That's where mine came from. All right. I'm gone. I promise. I'm gone. Much better. Yeah, it did say Mercari on that side of the box. And it says Arigato on the tape. Domo arigato. Holy cow. Oh, it's like Christmas. There's more boxes inside the boxes. Pretty cool. That's a logo from like the FedEx or the UPS of Japan. So let's dive in. What's first? Well, I honestly don't know what's in this box, so this is certainly opening Christmas presents in front of y'all. And it's Christmas presents for one of y'all, because somebody's going to buy this on Lazarus Foundry. I remember buying this one because I'd never seen it before. Holy smokes. Look at this crazy bag. This is a Nike silver camo and white. What does this say here? Old man glasses. Winterized issue equipment. Yeah. It's got a Nike logo on the inside here. Yeah, I've never seen this bag before in my life, but it is a big bucket tote with a zip top. I love the look of that. What do y'all think? Truly, truly unique. Look at that camo pattern. I have never seen anything quite like that. And it's got these metal buckles on both sides. Thick, chunky paracord shock cord. Yeah, I mean, that is totally fly. Really, really like that. It's going to be hard to say goodbye to. That's the downside of opening a used bag store, is I have to sell these bags. As a collector, that's not always the easiest thing in the world. What's next? I honest to God have no idea. Arigato. Wow. Look at this. This is a patchwork little crossbody bag. That is cool. with Japanese newspaper in it. What's going on? Looks like some baseball games and some lightning bolts and a puppy and some ramen and a basketball game. Anyway, I'll leave that in here because it's cool. Speaks to the origin. Sorry, nerding out for a minute there. But yeah, this is just a roughly constructed patchwork handbag from Japan. Unique. And that's what I'm going for with everything that ends up on Lazarus Foundry, is unique and unlike anything else that you can purchase easily via other bag sites. Ooh, this one's heavier. Ooh! I got a Mercari card. That's kind of cool. I know what this is. The most underrated backpack potentially in the backpack universe. Nike SB RPM. This one in a navy blue and blue denim. I hadn't seen this colorway before. I really like the look of that. Really like that. This is in immaculate condition. Another reason why I buy so many bags from Japan. Just immaculate condition and accurate evaluation and rating of used gear. Though oftentimes on these major sites give a rating of condition, A, B, C, D, and then they'll give you a list of the flaws on the bag. This one was listed as in A condition, and it is definitely in A condition. That is gorgeous. Woo! Love the look of that. Love the look of that. Two more. Ooh, a tiny one. I don't know what this is. Still don't know what this is. Ooh, another Mercari card. I gotta go through the other boxes. I gotta start collecting these. They got me. I gotta go look. Ooh. Another tote. This one is a quilted tote, and the label says Wraps Design Core since 1997. So we will unzip this tote. Yeah, it's just a super lightweight quilted tote. It's got a crossbody strap as well. Yeah, and two just slip pockets up front. So a very lightweight, packable tote bag from Japan. I like that. I like the look of that. And a really nice 2-inch nylon seat belt strap. We'll strap it in here. Yeah, that looks great. I like that. What do y'all think of that one? I like that a lot. I'll have to think about what the price is on this one. I think that for this one, I paid like $20 to buy it, plus $25 or $35 to ship it. I'll have to check. And so if I'm all in on this bag for like $60, then I think I'll have to sell it for like $75. I can't jack up the price to something that it's not worth. But I've got to cover my overhead on the store. I don't mind breaking even on a bag to just put some good stuff back out there into the universe. But I can't take losses on them. Gorgeous bag. Gorgeous bag. And I've got one more in here, and I think this one is another Nike RPM SB. And I got another card. What is this one? That's so cool. I feel like that's new. I feel like they just started that. And this one is a woodland camo SBRPM with a suede bottom and leather straps. There's some condition issues with this one. We've got a little stain here and some cracking on the leather straps. But all in all, it's in pretty good shape. This one I'll sell for cheaper than the previous one we looked at, which is in immaculate condition. And I've certainly seen the woodland camo version before. But again, just a really nice laptop bag. Really, this one has a side entry 3/4 zip laptop sleeve. That's interesting. The previous one had an all over laptop sleeve. Yeah, nice. Anyway, I think that's it for now. I love Japanese bags. I love bringing, this is a Porter Tanker crossbody, by the way. I picked this up in Japan. I love getting a chance to share the best bags in the world with all of y'all. And I love getting a chance to run a business that's based on discovering and rediscovering old bags and bringing them back into the sunshine, letting somebody use them and get some, put some love into the life of these goods. So if you haven't already, please check out Lazarus Foundry, link in the video description. I'm committed to bringing the coolest bags in the dang world to you every single week, always reasonable prices. And I hope you enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoy following along with that store as the business grows. And if you're looking for a way to support the channel, that's a fun way, because, you know, you can send me buy me a coffee, you can send me a super chat. That's very much appreciated. But if you buy a bag, you get a bag. So you can support my small business. That's a great way to support the channel and keep the whole shebang, the whole ecosystem up and alive and running. Everybody, as always, gosh dang it, thank you for the love and support. And you'll see a couple of these on Lazarus Foundry very, very soon. That's it for now. See you next time.